Why drinking too quickly makes you burp? When you drink too quickly, you tend to swallow more air than usual. This extra air enters your stomach and mixes with the digestive juices, which then forms bubbles that rise to the top and escape through your mouth as burps. Other factors that can cause burping include chewing gum or sucking on hard candy, swallowing air while drinking hot beverages, and consuming carbonated drinks like soda and beer. If you want to reduce burping, try eating and drinking slowly, avoiding carbonated beverages, and avoiding drinking through a straw.
Subscribe for more.